Hi guys! Lately I've been having issues with my LG TV. May mga weird lines at mga glitch sa screen. Then I came across a YouTube video showing a super simple DIY fix. Gamit lang ang scotch tape. Sabi ko, why not try it myself? So here's my attempt at fixing the TV guys. Let's see if it works. First step, open up the TV. Make sure the TV is unplugged before you start. Then unscrew all the screws at the back. Gently open up the back panel. There. This is what the inside of your TV looks like. Ang daming circuits and connectors. Don't panic though. What we're looking for are the two wide ribbon-like connectors. I did some checking kanina and I saw that the problem was on the left side ribbon. So that's where we'll focus. Actually, dinala ko na to sa repair shop dati. Sabi, need ko daw magbayad ng 15K dahil may kailangang palitan. Something like that. Sabi ko, nope. I can't afford that right now. So let's start. Let's cut a small piece of scotch tape and carefully place it over specific pins on the connector. Not all of them. Just the half part where the issue seemed to be. Yung tape kasi ang nagbablock ng signals that might be causing the screen glitch. Then, insert mo lang siya. Make sure na marinig mo yung click sound. There. Yan, tapos na. So, let's see kung gagana na. Okay, there. It worked, guys. The screen looks normal again. Okay, if you're experiencing something similar with your TV, try this trick. Super easy and anyone can do it. Thanks for watching.